Let us revise more and less. Last day, I remember I told one boy was carrying more apples and one boy was carrying less apples, right? And the second example I gave of a branch which has leaves. One branch has more leaves and one branch has less leaves, right? Today, let us do another exercise. Let us read the instructions. Look at the pictures. Tick the pictures that have more in each group, right? So let us see which has more and which has less. What is the first picture? This is the picture of a shampoo bottle, right? So this is the first bottle. This one has more shampoo and this one has less shampoo. See, it is less and it is more here, right? So we will have to put a tick on the picture which has more, right? So this has more shampoo. I put a tick on this. Okay. Let us see this. What is this? This is rice. You eat rice for lunch? That rice. Okay. So this plate, the first plate has more rice. So more rice and this has less rice. So which one will I tick? Which one has more? This one has more. I put a tick on more. For now you will do only more, okay? I haven't taught the less. So even if you do with numbers, practicing with numbers, then you will only make the crocodile will eat the bigger number. Go according to the class. Do what the others are doing. What is this? This is ice cream. This ice cream, the first ice cream, look here, this has one scoop, right? You understand scoop? This ice cream they pick up on they take it on a spoon and that is one scoop which we say, okay? So this has one scoop and this has 1, 2, 3 scoops. 3 scoops this has and this has one scoop. So which one is more? This one is more. 3 scoops is more, right? See over here I can do because this is countable, right? So 1 and this is 3 scoops, right? This is 1 scoop, this is 1, 2, 3 scoops, I write 3. So this is more. Got it? Like this. Then this is a jam. This jam bottle is new. This is unopened. So it is more. It has more. And this one is used. You have already eaten half jam. So this one has more jam and this one has less jam. I put a tick on the more. Or else you can do it this way also. I think this will be absolutely fine if you do it this way also. This has more. Fine? Okay. Then this is a cake. I showed you 2 methods. Either you can learn by putting a tick on the picture which has more, or else you can put this sign for more. Okay, but when you are doing numbers, you will definitely have to put this sign. Understood? This is only for the parents, for your child's understanding. Okay, give proper instructions what the child has to do. Put a tick or circle or cross. What is it? Okay. Then this is a cake. This has 3 candles. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many candles it has? 6 candles. One cake has 3 candles and the other cake has 6 candles. Okay. So I write here 3 and I write here 6. So which one is greater? 6 is greater. Okay. And I put a tick according to the instruction. Am I clear? Could I make you understand what am I saying? This is grass. Let us see which grass has more and which grass has less. This you will have to visualize. Okay. This grass is definitely big. So it has more grass in it. And this one is short bush. Okay, this is a small bush, this is a big bush, right? So this has more grass than this one. So I put a tick on the more one. Okay, practice more and less. Okay, try with countable numbers like ice cream scoops, you can count. Okay, birthday candles, you can count. With kites, ball, apple, you can count these. Okay, with a star, cupcake, easy drawings. Okay, fishes which you can count, you will count and you will write, understand which is a bigger one and which is greater and which is smaller. Okay.